Hello guys, welcome back to our Learn HTML5 for Beginners crash course. In today's video, we are going to be talking about adding hyperlinks in HTML5. So, what is hyperlink, you may ask? It's a way to connect one web page to another or link different resources on the web page. Hyperlinks are like the roads that navigate us through the vast landscape of the internet. In HTML5, we use the anchor elements to create hyperlinks. It's pretty straightforward and you'll be using it a lot in your web development journey. Here is a simple example. The anchor element has an href attribute where you put the URL you want to link to. Let me show you how it works. Now, what if you want to link to another section on the same web page? That's where internal links comes in. You can use the hash symbol followed by the ID of the section you want to link to. If you want to link to an external website, you can simply put the full URL in the href attribute. It's that simple. Now let's talk about making our hyperlink look good. You can style them just like any other elements. Change the color, add some over effects, and make them stand out on your web page. And there you have it. Adding hyperlinks to HTML5 is that simple. Whether you are connecting pages or styling links, you have got the basics down. Don't forget to practice what you have learned so far. Play around with links and styles and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell button for more web development tutorial. Happy coding!